Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. My name is Chris from fluentinmandarin.com and I'm back for another video breaking down how Chinese works. And in this video, I want to talk about how you say think in Chinese because there are a few different words that can be used to translate this meaning into Chinese. 想, 觉得, and 认为. So let's talk about the way that these three different verbs are used. So some of the time, this first word, 想 and 觉得 can be used interchangeably in the same sentence. For example, we can say, 我想你是对的. I think you are right. 我想, I think. 你是, you are, 对的, right. We could also say, 我觉得你是对的. I feel that you are right. Translated more literally. But effectively, it means the same thing. In this sentence, we could use 想. We could also use 觉得. But if we drill down more specifically into the meaning of 想, it often means think, referring to a thought or an idea. For example, 我想这件事很重要. I think that this is very important. Or 我想你应该去工作. I think that you should go and work. 我想你应该去工作. In these situations, we could also use 认为. For example, 我认为这件事很重要. I think that this is important. Or 我认为你应该去工作. I think you should go and work. Or in these sentences, in fact, we could also use 觉得. 我觉得这件事很重要. Or 我觉得你应该去工作. But going back to 想 for a minute, this character can also mean to want to do something or miss, which are two completely different meanings which are unrelated to the idea of think. For example, 我想跟你一起去. I want to go with you. In this sentence, 想 means want to do something. 我想, I want. 跟你, with you. 一起, together. 去, go. I want to go with you. And 想 can also mean miss. For example, 我想你. I miss you. So 想 doesn't always mean think. But when it does, it's normally talking about an idea or a thought. So if we look at 觉得 now, literally this verb means to feel, and it can be used in a more literal way when you're talking about your feelings. For example, 你觉得怎么样? How do you feel? 你觉得怎么样? This is literally talking about how you're feeling. Therefore, we use 觉得. 我觉得很累. I feel really tired out, or I feel really tired. Exhausted. In these sentences, because you're talking about your feelings, you can't use 想 and you can't use 认为. So just to recap, 想 means think when referring to a thought or an idea. It can also mean to want to do something or to miss somebody. 觉得 can also mean think, but it's more like a feeling, and it can mean to feel as well. 认为 is specifically means you believe something, and it's talking about your opinion. And it can often be used interchangeably with 想. But be careful because you can't translate I don't think as 不想, because this in fact means don't want to or don't miss. For example, 我不想跟你一起去. This would mean I don't want to go with you. Or 我不想你. I don't miss you. So if you want to say you don't think something, it's better to say 觉得 and then add 不 to the second half of the sentence, or 认为 and have a 不 in the second half of the sentence. For example, I think we shouldn't do it like that, or I think we shouldn't do it that way. So we could say 我觉得不应该这么做. 我觉得不应该这么做. I think not should this way do. So literally think not something. 我觉得不应该这么做. Or 我认为不应该这么做. 我认为不应该这么做. So this is if you want to say don't think. Don't translate this as 不想. This is a mistake that a lot of learners make. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope that made things a bit clearer for you. If you want to get more details, as always, you can go on over to my website, fluentinmandarin.com, where you can see all of my latest updates. You can sign up for my mailing list and receive more information about Chinese sentences and how to put them together more email tips and lessons and exclusive content. I normally send content out to my list before it's released on YouTube and elsewhere. So if you want to be the first to hear about all the latest new lessons and news, you can sign up there. It's free, and you can unsubscribe automatically anytime you want. You can do it by clicking on the link on the screen or by clicking the link in the description below this video. And also check out my courses on my site if you're serious about learning Chinese and you want to take your Chinese to the next level, or you're a beginner and you want to get a more methodical and detailed tuition in Chinese, you're not really sure where to get started. Those courses will be good for you as well. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.